What are you guys doing? Do you know what that is? What is it?
We don't know. It's a golden thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a lippy thing. It's so slippery. Let's go torture.
You gonna sit down nice and slide on it?
Yeah.
Is it a slide?
Yeah. Ow. I got a slide. Very fun. Wow, too. Let's do torture.
I'm watching. Go. Gonna slide down on your back? Sit nice and everybody go at the same time. Okay, ready, go.
Everybody sit like this and then hold hands.
What?
Now?
It's okay.
Devin, hold Amber's hand. Come on, just now? Yes, hold him.
Okay, I'll be there in a minute.
Acorn.
They're busy.
Yeah, we're doing what's acorn? What's it? What's it? Acorn. Wow. Sit down. I don't want to get some acorn. Yahoo!
Get away from there. There's nails over there, Alyssa. Come over here. Hey, get over here. I don't care. Let's go. Devin, you gonna go head first now?
I'm going first. And I'm going second. And I'm going first.
That's a cool toy, huh?
Huh?
Is that a toy now?
Yeah. Hey, it's a toy now. It's so much tool. Daddy, it's a toy now.
We don't need to go to the playground. We just can get on that slide, huh?
This is a big slide. It's a slide. Like the horse. Big slide. Like that.
Everybody wave.
Hi.
Devin, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Amber.